In primetime news this evening, a bombshell revelation. FLA says more than 200 criminals received gun licenses between 2014 and 2017. Where did the money go? We explore why children of the 2008 market truck crash in Portland did not receive promised funds. And just not ready. Educators weigh in on PEP pushback.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, Primetime Sports, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening, we're asking, what are your views on the JCF's Valentine's Day Wanted Men ad? You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam1. Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.